Okay, after you create a new project in Unity, you have to select some settings in your build setting. At first, you have to install the Android SDK in your install module. In here, and make sure the Android build support is in your Unity version. Install it in your Unity version. Then come here in build settings and select on Android and click on switch platform. Okay, right now as you can see in here, on top of the bars in here, you can see the Android. It means you are in the Android platform of Unity. So let's go to some setups in player settings. Choose your company name, for example Elon Team, and we say AR location, sorry, okay, and make sure it is the set here. Its package name com.elonteam.arlocation. And the second option is you have to remove the Vulkan graphics API. It is not necessary for us. Okay. The next things for the AR foundation settings, you need to check off the multi-threaded rendering. Make sure to do that. And also in here you have to set the minimum API level to 26 or higher. For example, we say 26. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the next step, and we have to come here in package manager. Here Unity registry. As you can see, we have AR foundation in here, and the final version of it is 4.1.7. Click on install. Okay, the next version is AR Core XR plugin, the final version of it. Okay, and no other things. We have to go build settings, player settings. In the XR plugin management, we have to click on it and check on the AR core. Okay, right now we can see in our game object the XR section, and we can import our objects in here. For example, AR session or other objects. Let's go to the next step, and we will discuss about how to implement our simple AR scene.